Before we get started with today's video, let me just start off by saying that there is a blizzard warning in Hawaii. I'm gonna say it again, a blizzard warning in Hawaii. And with that being said, welcome back to the vlog, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Lance. If you guys have not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe, especially if you guys want to see cool automotive content come out of Hawaii. This is the channel for you. So of course, we're back to the day in the life daily-ish vlogs for December, and it's winter time and Hawaii is under a blizzard warning right now. Like literally, guys, it's winter time in Hawaii, and for whatever reason, that was scary. It's my speaker up there. But yeah, there is a blizzard warning in Hawaii. Literally last night after work, it was so freaking cold. I got off work probably around almost 11-ish, and it was like 69 degrees. Today's weather, it's 74 degrees, and at the lowest, it's gonna be at 58 degrees. And also, I'll just add that it's not for Oahu Island, but for Hawaii Island, so which is a big island for the state of Hawaii. They're under an actual blizzard warning. But the fact that there's a blizzard warning in the islands, like in a tropical state, and there's not even that much snow in the mainland yet, like it's just like dumbfounding everybody. So with that being said, one of these cars need to be driven. I know I said that we're gonna be go ahead and driving the Z, but I'm gonna give the GTR one more chance because we gotta break this curse, guys. Literally, guys, the day before Thanksgiving, we caught a nail in this tire, which is a $600 tire. And then literally a few days later, the day after my birthday, we caught a nail in this rear. So this is the cursed child right now. We need to break the curse. I know we said we're gonna go ahead and do stuff with the Z. If you guys watched my TikTok yesterday, you guys know we have something planned already. I'm gonna save that for today's video later on when we get back home from work. But we are gonna take the GTR out. I was gonna start the car, but I just thought about it. Since you guys have been waiting for so long, here's a little sneak peek if you guys have not seen my TikTok yet. But we got muffler deletes for the 370Z. Now, there's a slight curveball. I'll get to it later, but it's sitting in that box. And without further ado, if my fat ass can get here. I love this car, man. I love this car so much. I know we were just at Nestor's shop and I totally forgot after the fact that we caught another nail. I forgot to tell him to calibrate the TPMS sensors, which I've never done yet for the past how many months, but the next time we go to the Nestor's shop, we're gonna get that done. Also, for the airlift suspension, it's still working fine. No problems yet with the car. So this is probably gonna be the last time I'm gonna drive the car for the next week or so, only because I'm gonna have to do some prepping for some, how do I say this? For some legal stuff. So it's gonna be maybe like a week or so till I drive this car again, but we have to, guys. We have to break this curse. So that being said, we're gonna go ahead, grab some food real quick, make our way towards town. I don't know what else I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna be filming all the way through. And smash the like button for today's video as well. On the side note, this is how dated the 09 CBA GTRs are. So other than the dash slowly cracking, but there is an old iPhone adapter that connects to a Bluetooth so that we can play music, like actual music. But because I don't have an old iPhone adapter, I'm gonna go ahead and use just a radio transmitter connected to my iPhone, which is gonna go ahead and play music. On the contrary to that though, being that this car is about 12, almost 13 years old, we still have the regular toggles with the screen. So just like the R34, you can still check all your maps to make sure everything's all good. Literally, this part I would say is more so ahead of its time, where it like just literally just shows everything. You can get your coolant temp, engine temp, oil pressure, boost gauge, everything. Personally, I like to set it like this for my boost gauge, only because I just like to see every time, you know, when I just hit it, I just want to see the boost hit as close to 20 as much as possible. But other than that, if you can get a GTR, get a GTR. So Hawaii is on a blizzard warning, and when weather goes down, boost optimization goes up. Love this car. Literally, listen, just listen to the downshift, guys. Oh my god. Not gonna lie, guys, I really think with the cold weather, Like, this car just feels a little bit more, like, it has a little bit more chip on its shoulder now. Okay, let's just be a little hoonigan for a little bit. And of course, back at our favorite shopping center where we grab pretty much all our food. I'm hungry. Well, food is secured. Unfortunately, gotta go to work. Oh, let's just hear that downshift again. Oh, beautiful. On a side note, if you guys are driving on the H1 near airport going town bound, especially for you guys that are watching my vlogs that's coming to Hawaii, yeah, 6 out of the 7 days out of the week, there's at least 2 or 3 popos that's trying to radar everyone. So just a fair warning for you guys. Well, now both of the rear tires are plugged. The ride quality is slightly more different. I think I had the car set about 35-ish PSI. Now we're close to around 40. And you can really tell the difference, especially when we go over these Hawaii roads, man. It's not the best ride quality anymore. Now that when I drive the car, it just feels like I have like this weird omen in the back. Like, I don't know what word to use, but it's just, it doesn't feel the same, man. My goodness, there is absolutely no parking today. Well, we found some parking. I'm already halfway through my lechon plate and we're watching Dustin Williams right now while we wait in the car. Well, let's see if everything holds up. Tire pressure still good on this side. Car is extremely dirty. Where else? Look at all this brake dust. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Bam! And of course, where is it? Oh, we can actually see it. Look at how ugly that plug is, guys. Oh my goodness. At least it holds. For now, I should say. Also, in case you guys forgot what the trunk setup looked like, I think I haven't showed it in a while, but still the same. Nothing new. Maybe hard lines one day, but for right now, we'll stick to this. Now we have the time. Let's put her down just a little bit. Actually, the rears can go down just a little more. Look at how thick and low she is, guys. Like, this car is doing legit squats right now. We still have to go ahead and close up this part of the fender liner. I've been meaning to go to Aaron's house. Hopefully maybe tomorrow, if not maybe next weekend, we'll finally get that settled. But just look at that, guys. Literally barely any clearance at all. All right, I know I'm holding up traffic, but damn, that 911 looks hella clean. Absolutely beautiful Porsche. Now, before we head up and before I go to work, I was just scrolling on Instagram and I looked at 8080's profile. The next car they're doing is the Ben Sopra GTR. I'm like 99% sure this is the exact Ben Sopra car that was shown at Hive Auto Group, and I'm pretty sure this is the one that they sold, because I don't think there's any other red Ben Sopra there is, like legit Ben Sopra kit in America. Whoever wins this Ben Sopra GTR right here, I swear to God, that is like another rare wide body GTR that nobody is ever gonna be able to recreate again, because they just stopped making those kits and there's only so few of those kits there. But yeah, I'm just geeking right now. See you guys when I get home. All right, I'm almost home from work, but literally, guys, the drive, oh my God, 64 degrees in Hawaii. Oh my goodness, it's so freaking cold, guys. It's unbelievable. And we're back home. I'm very tired, but I did promise you guys at the beginning of the video that we have one more thing to show you guys, and I'll show you guys this, and then I'm gonna cut today's daily vlog. But I did show you guys earlier that we do have the muffler deletes for the 370Z, and I also posted something else on my TikTok that we also have another setup as well. Let's see if I can open it real quick, just give you guys a little sneak peek Let me go ahead and turn on my flashlight real quick. Well, we got also a single exit titanium exhaust. I pretty much know what I'm gonna settle with, and I just wanted to get your guys' feedback, see what you guys were gonna say through my TikTok and the Instagram. But I have decided, so either one of these is gonna be a dual exit muffler delete, or we're gonna do a single exit titanium exhaust. But I'm gonna let you guys know on the next vlog, which is probably gonna be recorded tomorrow. So if you guys haven't done so, again, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, stay driven, and always to remember, challenge your standards.